video that I think you're going to appreciate quite a bit. We all have had the need at times of getting the content of an entire page to be saved in a separate file. And I've seen many utilities, I've tried many things, but this one seems to work. This actually was pointed out to me by my good friend Josh Morin. And this is the only extension that I use for Firefox. As a security guy, I don't like to have extensions, but this one I think definitely I'm going to keep it. When you install that, you get this icon here on the upper right side. So let me actually go into Fox News, or CNN.com, whatever you get your news from. As an example, it can be a documented thing with graphics. As you see, this thing has dynamic graphics and advertisement and all that stuff. So I'm going to click on that button, and what this thing is doing, notice this section in here, is actually taking all the contents and the JPEGs and all the information and put it together in a single HTML file with even not compression, but eliminate some redundancy. So that complex page here with all these graphics and all this stuff in here, actually quite a bit of stuff, is actually saved. Let me actually close the browser. It's actually saved on my downloads page as this HTML file, right? And notice that it's not that big, 1.1 meg for all that data. I think it's pretty good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect my Wi-Fi. I'm going to turn it off just to prove my point. And I'm going to double click on this save file. And notice I did this with Firefox. It's a Firefox extension, of course, but my default browser is Chrome. And notice that I get the actual, content of it. Not the entire, there was like a video playing in here, so that we will not get. But all the graphics and all the stuff is there with the links preserved. I mean, if I were to click into here, of course this is going to fail because I don't have internet, but you get the picture. This thing is a fantastic way of getting, let's just say you go to a blog and you are interested into something, well, you can actually, with a click of a button, add that. And this, let me actually open Firefox to show you my extensions. If I go under Tool, Add-ons, this is the guy. It's called Single File. And notice that it's even recommended by Firefox. So it means that the security should be pretty good. Short video, I think you are going to appreciate this one.